Hey kiddo, so I had a few students that told me that they were having difficulty figuring out EdPuzzle. So I wanted to just record a quick tutorial so that you can see how EdPuzzle works and how you are supposed to progress throughout the lesson. So I'll use the link that I gave you guys for the Google Sites tutorial. So here is when you click the link, this is what you'll be directed to. It's at Puzzle Time. You're going to sign in with Google, and I am going to use my other my abcusd.org account, which is what you'll be doing, and it should take you to this. So when I go to press play,
thing that we have up, and it really has nothing to do with anything else. Normally, it would you.
so when I go to press play, I'll see this spinning wheel, which almost reminds you of the spinning wheel of death, but it's not, because if you look to your right, you'll see a prompt for you. And so you have to play the prompt.
Hi kiddos, I wanted to give you a quick
And once you play the
tutorial
prompt,
about how
it
you are going
will
to go
help
about
you
creating your Google site. I know that a lot of you saw
know
the
what you're supposed to do.
document
So this
that
one is just reminding
was
you,
attached to our
first, make sure you are
hyper.email Friday,
signed
April
into your
3rd.
school
But I
email
wanted to make
account
sure that I
only.
also gave
You're
you
going to
a
go to
visual
the
reference to kind of walk through as well.
www.google.com/sites.
So
It gives you
first,
that
make sure that you are
information.
signed into your school email account only.
Let's see. Well, let me.
Hi
Oh,
kiddos, I
nope.
wanted to
See,
give
so
you
if
a
you
quick
try
tutorial
and
about
fast forward
how you
it,
are
it's
going to
not going
go
to let you
about
do that
creating
either.
your Google
That
site.
is on
I
purpose.
know that
You
a lot
need
of
to
you saw
listen
the
to all of the
document that
prompts or all the little notes
was
on the
attached
side
to our
in between
hyper.email
the video
Friday,
playing,
April
and that
3rd.
is what
But I
is
wanted to
going
make sure
to
that I
allow you
also
to
gave you
progress
a
forward
visual
and
reference
continue
and kind
watching
of a walkthrough
the
as well.
tutorial.
So
So
first,
if
make
you
sure
are
that you are
having
signed
trouble
into your school email
moving
account
forward, or
only.
you're saying,
It's
Mrs. Mitchell,
super
I can't
important
get the
that you're
video to
always signed into your
play,
school email account
it is
because this will
because
make
you are
it
supposed to
easier for you
listen to the
to
notes, read the
create
notes, and then
documents for
once you
school,
finish, I'll
Google
wait it
Drive,
out
and then
so you can
automatically
see.
upload and post it into your Google site. If you are using your personal Gmail account, that you use from home or for gaming, it's not going to transfer over easily. So make sure that you are signed into your myabcusd.org account. And then once you are going to go to google.com/sites.
Just a few
And
seconds
then you
left.
can watch the rest of this video to see what you're going
And then
to
as
do
soon as the
next.
timer is done, you can click on continue,
You go over here to
and the
create, and now
video
this is
will
important. So whenever you
automatically
see in
start
classic
playing
site
for
or in
you.
new sites, do not go to in classic sites. It is
So, like I said, if you feel like you're having trouble accessing the video or playing the video, it's because you'll see down here at the bottom, all these little stopping points are prompts or questions or notes that I've inserted to make sure that you have the specific information that you're going to need to set up your Google site. That's it.